Hello guys, this is the lecture number 2 of our Artificial Intelligence series, and today's topic is Type 1 and Type 2 AI. Myself Dr. Dibya Bora. You will find my introduction in the description box below. Okay, let's start. So, artificial intelligence is mainly divided into two types, and these two types based on capabilities and functionality. Okay, so look at this diagram. Type 1 and type 2. Type 1 is based on capabilities and type 2 is based on functionality. Okay, and in type 1 again we have different categories: narrow AI, general AI, strong AI. Okay, and in type 2 we have reactive machines, limited memory, theory of mind, self-awareness. These are the major types. Now let's discuss each of them. So first I am coming to the type 1, that is based on capabilities. Okay, type 1 AI is classified on the basis of the capabilities. So the first one of that type 1 is weak AI, or sometimes it is also known as narrow AI. Okay, from the term it is very clear that its intelligence is a kind of narrow. Okay, but this is the most common and currently available AI, and it has the ability to perform a dedicated task with the intelligence imparted on it. But as it is designed only for a specific task, so it cannot perform beyond that field, or it cannot exceed the limitations. Okay, so that's why the term narrow AI. We can give different examples of narrow AI as, you know, the playing chess is a game where you and computer, okay, you can choose opponent as your computer and you can play chess. Okay, then processing suggestion on e-commerce sites, that is also a narrow AI. Okay, and self-driving cars, speech recognition, image recognition, these are also narrow AI. It means that AI cannot do beyond that particular task. If you ask AI to open a folder from your system, it cannot do it, isn't it? So it can only play chess. Then similarly on the e-commerce sites you'll have the suggestions only, okay, and you cannot expect more from it. Similarly this self-driving cars, speech recognition, image recognition. Okay, and real life example if you want to cite, then Apple series, IBM Watson computers, okay, which is combined with machine learning and natural language processing. These are coming under the weak AI or narrow AI. Got it? So in this case intelligence is limited. Okay, now coming to the next type, general AI. Yeah, it has the ability that it can perform any intellectual tasks with efficiency like a human. Okay, so it just can behave like a human being, but there is no such system currently exists which could come under the general AI. Research is still going on to develop such general AI based machines. Got it? So general AI means intelligence is same as like a human being. Got it? Then super AI. By the time it is very clear that its intelligence is beyond the human's intelligence, so it can perform tasks better than human with some cognitive properties. So capability like ability to think, reason, solve the puzzles, make judgments, plan, learn, communicate by its own. these are the tasks it can do with higher efficiency than a human being can do. So this is again a hypothetical concept. It's not yet been implemented. Super AI. So we got super AI where intelligence level is higher than a human being. Okay, so these three types: narrow, general, and super. These are falling under type 1, and type 1 classification is based on capabilities. Now coming to the type 2, and that is based on functionality. Okay, the first one is reactive machines. Do remember that we will talk about the functionality here. Okay, so reactive machines are those AI systems which do not store memories or past experience for future actions. Okay, it's just work on present scenario and react as per the best possible action for that situation. Okay, so it is not storing any past experience. And best examples are like our IBM's Deep Blue machine and Google's AlphaGo. These are some reactive machines. Okay, so reactive regime where past experiences are not stored and it works only on the basis of the current scenario. Then limited memory. Okay, limited memory. So some memory is allowed, but that is limited. It can store past experiences or some data only for a short interval of time. Okay, just like your self-driving cars. They can store recent speed of nearby cars, distance of the other cars, then speed limit and other related information which helps to navigate the road properly, so you can travel with comfort and risk-free. Okay, so limited memory, we have seen that only a limited memory is allowed, and with that you can store data for a short period of time. So this type of AI machines has data data storing power capacity for a short period of time. Okay, let's move to the next. That is theory of mind. Okay, its functionality is like theory of mind. So it has the ability to understand the human emotions, beliefs, peoples, and also able to interact socially like we humans do. Okay, so by the term theory of mind, we mean to say that this type of AI machine has the ability of thinking like us, behaving like us, and emotions also like us. But they are not still developed and research is going on. Okay, so we have seen theory of mind, its functionality is like we human have with us. Okay, then the last one is self-awareness, and we can say that this is the future of artificial intelligence. This type of machines, AI-based machines, will be super intelligence and will possess their own conscious sentiments, self-awareness, and most importantly, they will be smarter than us. Okay, so this is again a hypothetical concept. You have seen that theory of mind is not yet developed. Then how self-awareness is possible in current scenario? Yeah, we may hope in future this type of machines will come. So self-awareness means AI machines which has functionality or capability far beyond than a human's intelligence has. Okay, so in type 2 based AI, we have gone through classification based on the functionality and different types like reactive machines which do not store memories or past experience for future actions. Then limited memory, only a few portion of memory is allowed to store data for a short period of time. Theory of mind, like we human have our emotion, belief, okay, understanding capability, same thing as theory of mind. And then self-awareness, that is the future of AI, and far capacity or intelligence power is far beyond that a human being has. Okay. So today we have covered different types of AI based on two things. One is based on capability, then other is based on functionality. Now, coming to the question of today, the question is Google's AlphaGo, that will fall under either reactive machines, option A, option B, theory of mind. Okay, so I hope you can answer this question. So comment your answer. Okay, then meet you in the next class. Till then, take care. Bye bye.